Hello, my beautiful people. Guess what came in the mail today? My Goddess Provisions box. Yay! So, what's in the box? Well, there's Abundance Flows to Me. That's the theme of the month. So this is going to be a box all about abundance. So let's see. We have a Money Magic Ritual Kit. You know, if you follow the channel, I don't really do rituals. I kind of just do things that bring me meaning. So let's see what's in it. I love their packaging. Jasmine, star anise, the stone that strikes, pyrite. Pyrite. Oh, there's lots in here. Chamomile, and cinnamon bark. So I don't know what you do with all those things together, but how cool are they? I love Goddess Provisions. Oh, there is a bag, and in this bag are, I don't know, things. Things are in this bag. What's in this bag? Oh, little, that's quartz. And these are green rocks. So quartz and green rocks. Oh, more. Oh, it's like a little altar cloth. Oh, it's a crystal grid. That's kind of nice. There you go. Imagine you lay the crystals out in a certain way. Something else. Oh, it's it explains how to use the crystal grid. So that is handy, because I don't know how to use a crystal grid. And it comes all in this little handy pouch. That is very cool. Alright, what else is in here? We have... What is this? Oh, Abundance Spell Candles. Oh, and it comes with like a little holder. You know, I went all over the place looking for a little holder like this, and I couldn't find one. I went to Scotland, and I found one there. Sterling silver. So I hauled that puppy home in my pipe case. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, it does come. Does it come with a little holder thing? I fail at boxes. Feels like something is in here, though. Come on out. You know, national security is an issue. Me getting boxes open, also an issue. Maybe there's something else in here. Oh, no, it's in there. It either needs to go this way or that way. There we go. Oh, look at how cute that is. Aw, that has like little money symbols on it. That's cute, and these fit in it. And that's awesome, because these are hard to find. That's very cool. And there's different colors, so I imagine you do different things with different colors. Alright, what else we have? We have, a golden bowl. It's like a musical bowl. I think it's not a musical bowl. But it has little symbols on it, like you're not going to be able to see them, but little moons and stuff. That's very cool. And then we have, I don't know if this is soap. I don't feel like soap. Square. Oh! Little blocks. Oh, that's beautiful. It's got butterflies on it and the moon. Is there something in the box? There is a salt packet in the box. That is very cool. That's probably to put your crystals in for your ritual kit. Wow. What a great box. Yet again, Goddess Provisions has overdone it and done great things. Let's see what the book says. Money Magic Ritual Kit. Create your own prosperity rituals. And it has the instructions. The Spell Candle Kit. The Golden Altar Bowl. Lunar Abundance Crystal Grid and Set. Green Adventuring Crystals. That's what they were in a clear quartz. Fairy Fortune Mango Wood Box. Oh, it's a moth, not a butterfly. Shows you what I know. This month's crystals are pyrite, green adventuring, and clear quartz. I did not see pyrite. I did not see pyrite anywhere. Oh, I'll have to go look for that. But this is a great box. And as usual, I am so impressed with Goddess Provisions. It's like my favorite box that I get, other than Reebok Scotland. And on the back, there's more information and things that you can click, and a monthly giveaway, and refer a goddess. There's all kinds of information. So this is awesome. I'm going to go and look for the pyrite, because I don't think I saw that anywhere. So, I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.